Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can record your screen on Windows 11. Okay, here I have opened my laptop and my laptop is using Windows 11 and I'm going to show you how you can record your screen on Windows 11. Okay, first of all, you can search for the sniping tool on your laptop. You can type sniping tool, and this is the default application on Windows 11, so you don't need to install the application, and you just need to click on sniping tool. Then you can click on new and make sure that you use like this video icon to record your screen. You can select this camera icon if you want to take a screenshot of your laptop, but since we want to record screen, so we can select this video icon. Then you're going to click on new. Then you can select the part of your screen you want to record, and I'm going to select the whole part of my screen. Then don't forget to activate the microphone right here. And after the microphone has been activated, you can click on start to start recording like this. Okay, then if you want to pause your recording, you can click on this pause button, and if you want to stop, you just need to click on the stop recording button. Okay, then don't forget to save your recording. Click on the save button. Then I'm going to name it record. Okay, recording, then click on save. Okay, and now the video has been saved to my device. Alright guys, and that's how we can record screen on Windows 11. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.